Okay, I should be live on Twitter and YouTube. I'm just checking. Okay, on Twitter I am live. On YouTube I am live too. Let me set these things up and then we can start. Okay, yesterday we were checking. Sorry, we were trying to run this hard hat. What is this? We were trying to set up hard hat with Foundry. That we did. Yes, here we can say we did that. Write the test and run it on local say node. So local node. Say okay, and then yeah. Where was I? Yeah. So we have to now we have the fixture, so we can start writing the test. Also, I'm pretty sure I will need I'll need to learn how to structure tests properly. Oh, Solidity test STRU structure test based on branching. Oh, this is pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can't hear this, but this kind of thing, like we need a structured way for writing it. Right now, I'm just putting everything in one file or even in a single test. That's not actually good. I do know that. Let's see what this account is. Okay. I'll save it to watch later on my on the account. Done. Oh, so what does solidity test generator based on tree branching technique? Yeah, that's the technique we read about, right? Uh, Not read about. We saw on YouTube. Maybe we can give this a try. Zero tags. Hopefully it is usable. At least there are like multiple stars, so uh, more than 300 stars, so I'm assuming people are using this. I know, not very useful. Sorry, I meant to say, not stars are not indicative of if people are actually using the tool. Stars is just like people liking it. I do that most of the time, where I like it just to save that for kind of watch later. Star, I'm using star as watch later feature, where I start something and if I want to check it, I'll go back. But maybe who who knows? Let's see, syntax dot tree. So if we have tree file, based on that tree file, this will generate it. The tool will generate test probably. Okay, let's put that on back burner for now. Right now, main part is writing the first test, which was okay. Even this will work. This won't, because deposit uses exchange rate under the hood, and exchange rate calls the precompile, and that's where we were getting the error, uh, because precompile was not getting called. So we can check this. Liquid staking contract. User can deposit and get equi get correct amount of okay. Sorry, I got a message on Telegram. I was just checking that. Uh, yeah, I was saying we have to. We'll write this test. The name will be user can deposit and get correct amount of LST. LST function, no, async. async. Now we can start with getting all those things. Load, deploy fixture, load fixture. Let me reply and get back to you. Get back to the stream. Okay, so sorry about this. I I know this is not ideal, but I have to reply. Okay. I have replied to the. Yes, that sounds great. Back to our tests. So, what do we have to do first? This is not useful because user doesn't have anything on local node. We know how to get this. Let's try to figure out. Do we have ethers dot? Okay. I'm pretty sure the ignore it. Ethers create signer from private key. Okay, signer from private key. Get address connect. Okay, private key from mnemonics. Here we haven't actually listed the command. Export private key of the account, and it was tilde go ben cd keys export tn9. No, we don't need that. We need unsecure. Okay, I know it says hex armored hex key. Unarmored. Unsafe. No, not unsecure. Unsafe. Okay, this is the command, and output will be something like this. Private key will be logged here without without the what's up oh, what is that? Without the 0x part, 0x part in front of it. Okay, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to convert this into JavaScript so we can run that function here. That way we don't have to do this every time we come back and restart our node, because that's boring and I don't want that. Okay, write function in JavaScript to run the command and copy the get the private key and return it as function output. Okay, can you also check after you get the private key, create address from it and cross check that address with EVM address given in output of following command. Okay, we have three functions here for some reason. Let's just copy all of it and put that in. Okay, package.json, we have hard hat. In the scripts, let's say new file, verify address.s.js. Okay, it doesn't matter. ethers node script slash. Oh damn, it actually works. That's good. I didn't think it'll actually work. Sorry about that. Okay, this actually works. This is correct. It says return get EVM address, cross check it. That's correct. We can remove this console log. We don't need console logs. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Lot of distractions today. So as I was saying, we don't need console logs. Yeah, this is okay. We can say return private key. Get and verify. Okay, these two are needed. These three actually, not two. Also, when you joined the stream, you already knew I was a dumbass, and I'm not writing anything in a good way. So if you are frustrated with that, that's on you. It's not on me. Okay. Analytics. Okay, so let's try. Await load fixture, liquid staking fixture. Okay, that's great. Let me say forge test. How do we run tests in hard hat, hard npx hard hat. We get an error for reasons below. Version statement in pragma file doesn't match with we didn't modify the hard hat config. It needs to be 21. Will this work? Assert. Okay, let me remove that. Unsupported addressable value. Owner.address temp. Okay, nothing. That's why I don't want to work with hard hat. I don't know what I'm doing. With Foundry, it's very straightforward. Okay, that might be. You can just console log things and see. Console dot. Do we get something? No, we don't. Okay, that's also that doesn't work too. Okay, so we know issue is here. Issue isn't with this, right? Yes, that's the issue. Console.log. Liquid. We can go to liquid staking contract. in the constructor. Okay, we are just sending one thing. Can we say staked dot get address and see? Yes, we are getting, this is correct. We need token address and then that part that works. Then this should work too. We were just, we were not sending the right arguments. That was the issue. We were sending the wrong number of arguments and it was creating the issue. Okay, let's put our functions back in. These were the functions. With this we will have we can remove the user because we are gonna construct that, create that user equal to ethers dot wallet we want to go, we need to go to ethers wallet and signers. It says provider, but we don't need to do that, or at least I think. Await console.log user dot get address, no, user dot address. Okay, hopefully we are correct. New, oh yeah, here. Also I think all the ethers, there is no ethers, so hre dot ethers we haven't imported child processes. Okay, this is cool. Now we have our local address and we can actually try and run it. I don't want console logs. Now let's see the test. Actually, ignore this. Write a test. First is send 10 ether, get the exchange rate. In the hard hat, Control F, lock. No, ether. This is not useful. Hard hat send ether with contract call in test. Owner.send transaction, connect, receive. Okay, so after we pass all the what else? Let me show you. Where after we pass all the function arguments, we can push this object and say value. So something along those lines. Okay, load fixture. We want our user because that's the only one who has some ether in the not ether. See, const then will import things. No, not import, assign things. Let's say liquid staking. Staked say user. First we need to send say to liquid staking contract deposit say in the liquid staking contract. Check for no, even before that calculate the amount that you will get back. Create variable for amount deposit. When we check for event, do we do that before or after the function call? Await, expect emit. Yeah, here we are checking the emit. So check event, check emitted event, and lastly check balance staked say balance of user, check total supply of staked say, do the deposit again, AGA and again, now calculate the amount that will be received. Because first deposit will change the exchange rate. So doing deposit again is important. Check staked say balance of user, check total supply of staked say. Yes, now we have this ethers dot ether dot utils dot pass ether. Let amount equal to ethers dot utils is not there, parse ether directly, and we can say 5 amount dot let's do the first part and then we can move on to next. And to say await expect, let's write that await expect liquid staking dot deposit value amount dot to emit first will be the contract, no, stake say, then name of the event with arguments, can we do address 0 or is it not allowed? I'm pretty sure it's not, so create address 0 in hard hat test. Do we have something in ethers? Nope. Yes, we do have that. We can directly access it. Ethos dot zero address comma it will be user dot address and then amount. We also have to connect user. This works. Await expect state say dot balance of user dot address to be equal to amount. Okay, let's see if at least this part works or not. Wrong spelling somewhere. User. No, it doesn't. Okay, this stream was not very fruitful. What should we do? Let's go to network config, debugging with hard hat, console. No, I want to go to documentation, and in that network hard hat network. No, oh, networks. We can do that. Hard hat networks. The name, right? Say local URL will be http colon slash slash 127.0.0.1 colon 8545. Hopefully it is correct. Because if it's not, then I have to debug again. Okay, that's done. dash dash network, say local. No, execution reverted. Let's stop this. We only have one call, so there is issue with this call. Deposit value. We are connecting. We are connecting user. Deposit. Let's remove the value and see what happens. Okay, it's still useless. Hard hat config. Can we say localhost? HTTPS. Okay, this error is not useful. It still says execution reverted. So we do know is issue with this call. We can. Oh, okay. I didn't see the time. Time is already up. Okay, I have work tomorrow, so I'm gonna end the stream. Anyway, I hope you liked today's stream. I know it wasn't very helpful in any way, it was just useless for you. Okay, I'll try to hopefully do something productive in tomorrow's stream. Yeah, if you, in case you like the stream, do let me know. If you didn't like the stream, let me know that too on Twitter DMs, maybe YouTube comments, wherever you can reach me, so I can improve my streams. If you have any feedback how to improve, like explanation or whatever I'm doing on stream, um, I appreciate that too. So please ping me. If you're on YouTube, like and subscribe, and on Twitter, do follow me so you can get useless tweets about my streams and some technical knowledge about Solidity and EVM in general. Yeah, that's about it for today's stream. Have a nice day and see you guys tomorrow, same time. Bye.